So those alerts are up through tonight, and it's not because of wildfire smoke. We have low-level ozone, so don't do anything too strenuous during the afternoon hours. Not that you want to, especially with the heat index values that'll exceed 90 plus here. And in fact, for eastern Sullivan, I keep saying Sullivan, Ulster County, I apologize, and Dutchess counties, those mid and upper 90 heat index values. But everywhere it's going to be hot and humid. The best time to see the sunshine early on, the best time to get an isolated thunderstorm will be in that 1 to 4 p.m. time period. Otherwise, just hot. Heat index values over 90 by later on this evening, still pretty stuffy, and temperatures around dinner time still in the 80s. All right, let's see what you have to navigate around this morning. Emily, what's going on?
You know, it's been a busy start. We've had that closure on 112 in Suffolk County accident.
So you have permission to just take it easy, stay hydrated, drink before you're thirsty. It's one of those days. And of course, going hand in hand with heat and humidity, often a poor air quality. So we do have the air quality alerts up for just about the entire area for ground level ozone. So for once, it's not due to wildfire smoke. We have a lot of heat. Of course, the one heat advisory that we have in place for parts of the Hudson Valley, including parts of Ulster County and into Dutchess County, where that heat index may exceed 95 to almost 99 degrees. So definitely dangerous heat. Fort Lee at 75 right now. We have Morristown coming in at 70, City Island 72, and so is New Rochelle. So we're already off to a warm, sticky start. By 1 o'clock, 89 degrees. Take it easy, because at this point, heat index values will be 90 plus. And straight through this afternoon and evening, staying very warm. Still temperatures near 80 degrees by 10 o'clock. Coming up, I'll show you a few areas that could pick up some rainfall too. All right, before we do that, let's get you out the door and ready to face some traffic. What's going on, Em?
Face some construction. Still a few projects are still out there. The one
humidity often, and so we have low-level ozone. So limit strenuous activity, especially during the peak afternoon and evening hours, with those air quality alerts really through this evening. And starting to see not just the haze, but some fog, some pretty dense fog in eastern Suffolk County. But also, as we get into down the shore, somewhere there, we had a good view of Point Pleasant Beach. Not so much right now. So if you're about ready to grab the keys and head down the shore, you're going to be running into that. Emily's got you covered as far as traffic. But as far as weather goes, it's going to be hot and humid everywhere. 87 degrees by noontime, an isolated shower possible, especially north and west of the city. Otherwise, full-on sunshine. 86 degrees by 5 o'clock with that heat index value in some areas at times pushing 90 plus. And it'll still be stuffy by 10 o'clock in the mid 70s, but plenty of humidity. All right, let's check in with Emily. It's got you covered as far as whatever mode of transportation you're picking today.
Whatever you want to take. Yes. I've got a check of it. New York City.
Or mainly north and west of the city today in that afternoon time period. Otherwise, mostly sunny and hot. 87 by 4 p.m. The heat index values at this point will be 90 plus. And then into the evening hours, we hang on to a lot of that heat still into the mid and upper 70s through 10 o'clock. All right, let's see what may be slowing us down this morning. Emily, what are you watching?
You know, things starting to heat up on the roadway. It's getting a little more busy, especially through Queens.